Verse 22. But I saw no temple in it. Wait a minute. This could be a crushing blow to the spirit of a Jewish believer. No temple in heaven? The temple is the place that we have loved and longed for. It's there that we've experienced a certain closeness to God. The temple has represented the presence of God in the midst of His people. How can we be happy in heaven if there's no temple there? John said, I didn't see a temple. For the Lord God Almighty and the Lamb are its temple. You see, the temple is simply an outward manifestation of the reality of God Himself. It's the symbol, and the symbol is replaced by the reality. The city had no need of the sun or of the moon to shine in it. Now, what kind of a place is this in the new heavens and the new earth where there is no sun and there is no moon? Think of what the sun does for this planet. Not only does the sun provide light, but it also provides warmth. Blot out the sun and you have a planet that turns to ice and to pure desolation. And even the ice would harden in the blackness of a forsaken place. But He doesn't say there wasn't any light there. It says there isn't any sun. There isn't any moon. Because there doesn't need to be a sun. And there doesn't need to be a moon. Because He says what? For the glory of God illuminated it, and the Lamb is its light. I want to go there. I want to go to the place where when you walk in, the brightness and the brilliance is so intense that it is brighter than the sun that we experience in this world, and understand that the radiance that we're beholding there, that is being reflected in the streets of gold and the gates of pearl and the precious stones that adorn the city, all of this is being illumined by the radiance of the glory of God and of the Lamb.